Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk where you'll get most valuable information always. So today in our channel we are going to see most of the candidates who are trying for jobs as a fresher or rejoining IT career after a long break, or people who are trying to switch from non-IT background to IT background, and people who are not interested in their current role. They are trying to enhance their skill and try to switch into better role, and also people searching for job with long career gap. So all these candidates, before trying to the job, what they do, they enhance their skill first. Either they do it on their own by watching tutorials or learn self learning, or few people they join any of the online courses like Edureka or Coursera or Simply Learn. There are various platforms which provide online courses. So majorly most of the people do few mistakes. It cannot be said as mistakes. It can be said that you have to concentrate on few points when you are doing online courses. If you follow these instructions while doing online courses, definitely you will be able to land up in a job immediately or during pursuing your online course itself. So I'm going to share those very important points in this video today. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get maximum information. So guys who are already following this, it's well and good. Most of the candidates don't follow these key points. So I would request you, after watching this video, you to follow this process. So by the end of your course, you will be able to have a job in handy. I can assure you on that point. That time you will be technically strong also. So let us see what are those important points. So before that, if you're watching Techie Talk for the first time and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe without fail. And if you have liked this video, make sure you hit like button without fail. First point is, during your online course, the instructor will explain a topic and he will also show you hands-on or a code snippet for a real-time example. So what most of us do is, and also what instructor also instructs you is to practice along with him. But most of us, what do we do is, as soon as the instructor start coding, we don't understand the concept, we don't understand the complete syntax or complete program. We start doing it parallelly without understanding it completely also, because the instructor asked us to do parallelly. But I would suggest you, first let the instructor complete the program, execute the program, and let him complete the explanation it. So once he completes the explanation, you will be able to grasp the topic 50%. So once you grasp the topic 50%, if you have any questions, ask it straight away. Else you don't have any questions, what I would suggest you to do is, without seeing the instructor board, you have to do on your own the same program to understand whether you got the topic or not. In case if you have any doubts, you can refer the instructor board once or twice. But it's not that you have to refer complete program. You have to understand the program and do it on your own. So when you do on your own, you will be able to get the topic 95% for sure. So whenever you attend the interviews, if the same question or if the same topic is given asked if the same topic is asked to you, you will be able to answer confidently and also correctly, and also you will be able to present the program without any hurdle. So think whether is it a valid point or not. So with a less preparation itself, you will be able to present in the interview very well. So this is 100% working, guys. But you might get a doubt, how come once if I see the program, how I will be able to do it on your own? That is where the logic lies. Whenever the instructor is explaining you, your concentration should be only on the topic. So first understand every point by point what he is explaining. So if you have any small question also, don't hesitate to ask. You just ask him the question straight away and ask him for different scenarios programs. So in this way, you will be able to learn maximum, guys. So this is one of the most important point you have to remember when you are doing online course. Coming to the second point is, don't skip any of the topic. So in case today you are having any urgent work and you are not able to join the course, you will have a soft copy in your website, right? So try to read it on that day itself, because next day when you join the online course, what happens is, if you skip the topic of yesterday's and if you join today, you will be in a question mark, because whenever you are learning a topic, it will be series by series which will be connected to each other. Every module by module will be connected to each other. So if you are clear with the previous topic, then learning next topic will be very easy, guys. So make sure, if you skip any one lesson today, then next day class will be a very tough and challenging for you to understand and to cope up with the topic. So I would request, if you miss a class, make sure you learn it on that day itself. For us, job is important and learning is important. So initially, working hard is most important and required for us, guys. I hope you understood the second point, that if you have missed any topic, try to learn it on that day itself and then only attend the next day class. It will make you simple, and also learning wise it will be helpful for you. Third point is, if the instructor is teaching you some syntax or new type of words, keywords or identifiers, make sure you are clear with it. If you have any doubts, immediately you can ask the instructor, or if the instructor says that he will get back to you, remember that to ask it and clarify it, else you research on your own and then get the answers. Because in interviews, every small things matter, guys. If when you are in an interview, and if the interviewer asks you, what does a string keyword does, or what does a int keyword does, then if you are not able to answer that, then itself you have a negative impression. Just because of a very basic question, you will not be able to continue in the interview. So make sure you be clear on even very small topic also. And also, I would suggest you guys to practice more and more, because nowadays, because most of the companies in interviews, they ask you hands on only, though you are entering after a career break, or as a fresher, or as an switching role, then also they ask you hands on only. If you're good at hands on, then only they will be able to hire you, guys. So irrespective of your background, I would suggest you to practice more and more and more when you are doing online courses. And finally, I would say that once a topic is taught, make sure you make note of some important key points. So it will be helpful for you during your interviews. Instead of studying the entire topic, if you go through the key points, you will be able to grasp it very quickly and recollect the information very quickly. And also in interview, if you just say these key points, it is enough, because the interviewer will focus whether you know the concept or not, and you are clear with the explanation or not. He wouldn't see that in detail of the topic you know or not. Key points, if you explain, he will get to know, okay, he knows it and he has knowledge about that topic. This will be the impression from the interviewer end. So these are the few points I would suggest you guys to keep in mind when you are doing online courses or when you are studying also. Even if you are doing self study, make sure you follow all these points. Practice is most important and key points is most important, and getting clarification on a topic in detail is very important. So if you work hard like this till your course, that is enough. By the end of the course, you will be very thorough on the topic and you will be able to crack any interview you attend. Once you join a job, you will be an achiever. So guys, these are the few points I would like to share. If you feel these points were useful, make sure you comment in the comment section that it is useful. And also, if you want any other new topics, make sure you comment it. I will try to give my best on those topics as well. So guys, if you have liked this topic, make sure you subscribe to Techie Talk and also hit a like button to this video without fail. See you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.